How to create a listing fast with Snap2List. So we could either click on this create listing or this bottom bar here. Go to create listing, we collapse the bar on the side. Upload our product image, it could be anything you like. Electronics, for now I'm using clothing as an example. So we click analyze image. So once analyzed, we do always see the title and description on top for us to reference later on. And we can also open this widget and view our photos as needed. This is a 4-step form, and the first step is you could write our SKU, or we could generate one, and I will generate one. And for the title, it is auto-generated. We could change some stuff. We could also translate, and description is auto-generated as well, including the measurements we included from the photos. And then we could choose category from a drop down, and condition we could pick, and we could pick this from model. We could add our own. For now, I'll choose the first one I have, and we have the smart pricing. We can open up the chart and we can see the sold and the active listings, and based on this we do get a price. For now we will keep it as is. Click next, we enter the brand, and up here we have the reference, so we could write vintage America. It is extra small to regular to multicolor, blouse, and woman. We just pick from the drop down. Next, and we could save this in our settings for so we don't need to pre-fill it every time. Click next, and now we could rearrange our images the way we want them. And I do like the order, keep that as is. So over here we could save it as a draft for later, or we could create the listing, and for now I'll just save it as a draft, and that's it.